Moving massive vehicles from one place to another often requires some serious logistics, and that doesn't just apply to trucks or construction equipment. Even enormous ships sometimes need a helping hand to reach their destination. That's exactly what's happening with a groundbreaking electric ferry built in Tasmania. Incat Tasmania has officially completed what is now considered the largest electric vehicle ever built. Instead of using its own power for its first journey, the giant ferry has been carefully loaded onto the deck of the heavy-lift vessel MV Black Marlin, which will carry it all the way to South America. The Black Marlin is no ordinary ship. Stretching more than 700 feet in length, it features a unique semi-submersible design that allows its cargo deck to sink below the water. This makes it possible for enormous vessels and offshore structures to be floated into position before the deck rises again, lifting the cargo securely out of the water for transport. The loading operation took place on Tasmania's River Derwent, close to where the ferry was built. According to Incat, it was one of the most complex maritime operations ever carried out in the region. Everything went smoothly, and the ferry is now firmly positioned on the Black Marlin, where it will be secured before beginning its long trip across the oceans. The ferry will operate in South America for bucabus under the name China Zorrilla. Its job will be to transport passengers and vehicles across the River Plate, connecting Buenos Aires in Argentina with destinations in Uruguay. What makes this vessel truly remarkable is its fully electric power system. It carries an astonishing 250 tons of batteries with a combined capacity of 40 megawatts. That's roughly equivalent to the battery capacity of nearly 500 Tesla electric cars, and around 4 times larger than any battery system previously installed on a ship. Those batteries power 8 Wärtsilä waterjets, allowing the ferry to reach speeds of around 29 miles per hour, or 46 kilometers per hour. During development, the project took a major turn by replacing the original liquefied natural gas propulsion system with an all-electric design, making it one of the most ambitious marine engineering projects ever completed. On a single charge, the ferry can travel up to 115 miles, or about 185 kilometers. While that range may not sound impressive at first, it's important to remember what this vessel is carrying. It has room for around 2,100 passengers and up to 225 vehicles, making it one of the largest passenger ferries of its kind. The ferry also features an enormous onboard shopping area covering more than 25,000 square feet. That makes it the largest retail space ever built into a vessel of this type, giving travelers far more than just transportation during their journey. The exact timeline for the voyage from Tasmania to South America hasn't been announced yet, and the official date for the ferry's first passenger service is still unknown. Even so, this project marks a major milestone in electric transportation and shows just how quickly large-scale battery technology is advancing. It won't be long before this record-breaking ferry begins carrying thousands of passengers across South American waters using nothing but electric power,